brand new backhoe loader 3CX. This end is a shovel, the other end is the excavator. In Chinese, we call it a busy at two ends. The operator just to adjust his seat to the excavator side and now putting down the outrigger. Let's try is a excavator side. It's brand new. Now we have some earth moving work to do here. Digging. Okay, this bucket is not big and not small. This is four-wheel drive 4x. See the shovel side. This is excavating side. Small work. This is not, it's a small work. Now the work is almost done. This is the 43X. It's very powerful. It's taking the root of the tree out. Now this tunnel almost done.